In the first paragraph, the author acknowledges which problem with biofouling. A. Biofouling emits large amounts of greenhouse gases. B. Biofouling increases the drag of ships, which causes them to sink more often. C. Biofouling leads to invasive species being introduced to new environments. Or D. Biofouling makes ships use more coal to sail. Let's go through each choice and see if there's enough evidence in the text to back it up. A. Biofouling emits large amounts of greenhouse gases. While it's true that the text tells us that biofouling increases the drag of ships, so more energy is needed to power them, multiplying their carbon emissions, the biofouling itself is not the direct cause of the greenhouse gases being produced. It merely increases the drag of the ships. This can be marked as incorrect. B. Biofouling increases the drag of ships, which causes them to sink more often. As we just saw in the text, it's true that biofouling increases the drag of ships, but we don't see anywhere in the text indicating that this causes them to sink. This can be marked as incorrect. C. Biofouling leads to invasive species being introduced to new environments. This seems to be our answer. We see that the buildup of marine life can also lead to non-indigenous invasive species being introduced to new environments. This could cause irreversible damage as these species become dominant in their new habitat and disrupt the biodiversity. As the text directly backs up this choice, it is likely our final answer, but we'll check out choice D just to be sure. D. Biofouling makes ships use more coal to sail. While it's true that the text tells us that biofouling increases the drag of ships, so more energy is needed to power them, we don't see the passage specifically reference coal. Based on this can be marked as incorrect, and our original answer of choice C can be marked as our final answer.